Hey guys, today we are going to be doing a book review on Regretting You by Colleen Hoover. This book was about a mother and a daughter who despised each other pretty much throughout the whole book, and you really see the tension between them as an accident happens within the story. I don't want to give it all away. But I absolutely love this book. This might be my favorite Colleen Hoover book. This kept me on my toes, and I would go some days reading 100 pages. This book is 354 pages, and there was 2 days where I read almost 100 pages. This book is amazing. 5 out of 5.